You'll have to forgive the sound and the focus if it's off. I don't have my main camera that I would shoot this with, and it's really windy here on the beach. I stopped for lunch before at about the 3 kilometre mark. I've got a 10k walk along the beach to a spot I hope is a decent campsite. I've never been here before. Bit of an experiment, and I think as usual I've taken on quite a bit for a first go on a beach walk. Probably a couple of k's would have been better, but anyway, I'll just head down and get into a groove and walk along here and hopefully find a nice little wild camp spot that is rumoured to be that way about another 5k's. Notice these tracks, no human tracks with it. What do you think, Fox? Looks like a couple. So much crap washing up on the beach. Well, off the beach, found a little track and trying to find an area, well, a flattish area to camp. Just dunes everywhere and some evidence of quad bikes having ridden here within the last couple of days. I've heard that there's trail bikes go up and down this thing, but these obviously a quad bike, much wider track and parallel two of them. Don't know whether that'll come up on camera. Anyway, it's sort of a pleasant walk, which would be a shame to have it destroyed by quad bikes thundering down here. I hope this is in focus. This is going to be a bit of a bizarre video, not really a solo wild camp at all. I had telephone service along the beach walking in, and actually I did the walk in. I was reasonably happy, 10k's, 3 hours. But I've got some work stuff going on now. Unfortunately I didn't disconnect. And so I'm going to head back. It's 4:30 or something now. It's a bit hot. I actually put this top on because I was getting sunburned. Yeah, 4:30 now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of the stuff I bought, Trangia, and cook a quick dinner on the beach. Then I will head back to civilization. So, a bit of an abortive attempt, but it's been fun actually. I'm wanting to do a long walk, the Alpine walking trail in the future, and this shows me I can do 10k's with a pack. Plus I'm going to test these out. They're A-leader beach shoes. They're designed to go in the water and on rocks and stuff, and I'm going to test these out for a couple of k's on the way back and see how they go walking in the sand. Because they're actually fairly light, fairly comfortable, and can go in the water. So I'll see how they go. Tide, I believe, is receding. I can follow my footsteps back. This is, I guess, pretty remote sort of coast area and not many humans. So I'm gonna probably walk a couple of k's back, find a sheltered spot to fire up the transier and have dinner. Got probably 3 hours of sunlight left, which will be fine. Probably take me 4 hours to get back. Walking my A-leaders. And yeah, nice, quiet walk on the beach. Ooh, aye. Oh, that's deeper than I thought. Oh, and cold. Well, that cools off the old feet.